In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default paste options in OneNote. If you paste a lot of content from web pages, emails, or other documents, you've probably noticed that formatting can come along for the ride. Sometimes that's helpful, and sometimes it clutters your notes. By adjusting a single setting, you can decide whether OneNote shows you a quick choice each time you paste, or keeps things streamlined in the background. Start on your desktop with OneNote open and visible. We'll begin in the main OneNote window. Look to the very top left corner and click File. This takes you into the Backstage view, where all the application level settings live, separate from your notes. Next, click Options. This opens the OneNote Options dialog, which controls how the app behaves. It's where you'll find preferences for editing, display, and, in our case, pasting behavior. In the Options window, select Advanced. The Advanced section contains a variety of editing and cut, copy, and paste settings. We're here for a specific control that affects what you see right after you paste content. Look for the setting labeled Show Paste Options button when content is pasted. When this is turned on, every time you paste, a small clipboard button appears near your cursor. Clicking it lets you choose how the content should appear. Typically options like keeping the original formatting, merging it to match your note, or keeping text only. This is great if you want control on a case-by-case basis, for example, preserving a table's styling in one paste, but stripping formatting in the next. If you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free workflow and already know how you want pasted content to behave most of the time, you can turn this off. With the button disabled, OneNote won't show that little pop-up after you paste, and your paste will quietly follow the app's current behavior without prompting you. You can always come back and switch this setting later if your needs change. Once you've made your choice, enabled for on-the-fly control or disabled for a streamlined experience, click OK. That saves your preference and closes the options dialog. Your change takes effect immediately, so the next time you paste, OneNote will either show you the paste options button or skip it, depending on what you selected. That's all there is to it. By adjusting this one setting, you can make pasting in OneNote either more flexible or more seamless, whichever suits your note-taking style. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your notes clean, consistent, and easy to work with.